All right, let's give her a taste. She's pretty. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. It is time for your drink of the week. I had an idea because one of my new favorite things to drink is the Sanpellegrino blood orange soda. So today I am teaching you how to make a blood orange spritz. First off, your Sanpellegrino blood orange, Aperol, and then some bubbles, okay? Sparkling wine, champagne, Prosecco. Today's episode is brought to you by our friends out at Countryside at Main Street Wines and Spirits. Head on over there for all of your wine and spirit endeavors. Let's get going. So you are going to build this straight into your wine glass. And the first thing we're going to do is 1.5 ounces of Aperol, okay? Next, take your Sanpellegrino blood orange, 1.5 ounces as well. Add some ice. Take your bubbles, top her on off. And there you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, your drink this week, a blood orange spritz.